Hey everyone, so I'm going to do a Target baby clothes haul. I went to Target today with my husband and we got a bunch of stuff for Elena, 9 months old, because she has a few things, but I just wanted to get her some cute things that I saw there since everything was a pretty good price. This is the first 9-month one thing that I got her. It's a super cute dress and it's really soft. It has the little hearts and the inside has them as well. And then it has the little pants that match it. And then the shirt says "Sweet Like Me" with a little cupcake. And I thought these were perfect because they can, for winter, they can have the sleeves on them underneath with the super soft warm dress and then the pants that match it. So I got a few of these, I think like 3 or 4 of them. And they're just super cute. I also got her this because I had gotten one for her for 6 months and I loved it and it just fits so well on her. It's really warm, it's a really nice jacket, and she has sweatpants that match it as well. So I got her a 9-month one. It's not like super soft or anything, but it is a pretty nice, like it's a thick, lightweight jacket, which I really like. And it was super comfy on her. The other 9-month one I got is this one. I don't know if those are like little mouses or... yeah, I think that's what they are. I don't know, but it's blue and it has the hearts on it. It's also another little dress, so it has the sleeves that can go underneath it to keep her warm. And I loved this little heart on it. I actually don't know how much this one was because if you look, it's so weird. It says it's $0, and obviously it wasn't free. So, but yeah, and it also has the black pants too. It's also a 3-piece set, but instead of the dress, it has this cute little jacket, and it has like the little bow. It's super soft. It's just really cute. And then it has this shirt, and it says "All Kinds of Cute" on it. Long sleeve as well, and it has cute little heart pants. I'm obsessed with hearts, by the way. Everything that I have is like hearts. It's like a cupcake. It has a little like panda on it, and it's holding a cupcake. And then the shirt has cupcakes, and then the gold has sparkles on it, so that can go underneath. This one's super soft as well, and the whole little onesie is cupcake. So if she didn't want to wear the dress on any of these, she could also wear just the shirt with the pants, and then these pants go with it. And the other thing I love about this is if I wanted to, she can wear just the pants with like other kinds of shirts. So she also got leggings with these as well. It's, even though they're 3-piece suits, like they can, each piece can go with something completely on its own, or for like a warmer day she could just wear the dress or something, which I love. We got this one because we might be going to the snow, and or even like when we go do Christmas lights and stuff. This is like perfect. It's so soft. It has the little holder thing here for the hands to cover them so her hands can be warm, and if I needed to, I could open it up so her hands could be free. It has the little footsies, and it's super thick. You can, I don't know if you can tell in the camera, but it's just so soft. It's like down. The inside is all striped inside, and it's so warm. I just love like big comfy things like that. I can just picture like holding her when she's all cold, bundled up in there. Love it. And then I also got her because she only had some newborn ones, and she hadn't had any like this. I got her just some plain white socks. These are the 6 to 12 month ones. All of her other socks that she got from her baby shower were just kind of like falling off of her. So I got her some of those, and then I also got her 6 to 12 month colored ones. There's some purple, dark blue, black, pink, gray, and some more white ones. So just like a variety for maybe like at home. And then I also got her some 12 to 24 month ones, even though she's not going to be 12 months for another like 6 months. I thought bigger ones are sometimes nice because they stay on better, and then plus she just has some for when she starts walking or sleeping or night wolf or whatever. I wanted to get her some warmer things for winter, so now she has a few things. She obviously has a lot more clothes for 9 months. This girl has more clothes than I can even imagine, but I just wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that we got from Target. This is obviously isn't everything. We got some toys for her as well, but I wanted to show you guys the clothes so you could see some of her things that she'll be wearing for 9 months. And I hope you guys like it. If you guys have any questions, you can comment below. If not, we'll see you for our next video. Bye!